Welcome back to another booty challenge. If you guys did the last challenge, which was 300 reps glute bridge challenge, this time we're gonna do 500 reps. I got Michelle here, Lily here, and we're ready. I hope you guys are ready. Let's do it. So this is how it's gonna go. We're gonna do 50 reps. Oh, make sure you guys got your booty band to make it a little bit more intense. We're gonna do 50 reps. After 50 reps, we're gonna rest 30 seconds, and then we're gonna do another 50 reps, another 30-second break, and so on until we get to 500 reps. Let's do it. Okay. And let's go. Make sure if you guys got the bands, you guys are keeping your knees out. Ooh, booty is burning. I'll wait for you guys to start the timer. Come on, Michelle. Come on, Lily. All right, 30-second break. That's only 50 reps. We're 10% done. Hang in there, guys. If you guys need longer breaks, take them. Pause the video. We're only taking 30 seconds. 5 more seconds, guys. All right, let's go. All the way up. Hang. 100 reps down. Oh. My booty is pumped, dude. I want to make everybody do this as a warm up next time we do. Do what? Next time it's booty day. It's a little warm up. All right, let's go. Come on, hang in there. Whoa. Dang. My booty's about to explode. That's how pumped it is. How is it, Lily? Easy? Lily said that we should do 1,000 rep. Lily said we should do 1,000 rep challenge next time. Okay, let's go. When you're in pain, you kind of lose count a little bit, huh? You're like, shit, what number was I on? That was 200, right? 50 more and then we're halfway done. Just 50 more and then we're halfway done. We got this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on, hang in there. You got this, Michelle. $250, halfway done. Let's go. My glutes are numb. I don't feel anything anymore. You too? Oh, you guys are killing it. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, 200 more. We got this. That's what your glutes are used for, to extend the hip. So when you do this movement, like your hip extends, you're using your glutes, that's why. It's just, that's the job of the glutes. All right, go.
Energy's here, you're not ready for the wham. Energy's war, I've never been glam. Energy sure like bars will land, like a missile straight to the plan. Energy's more than everything, man. Energy's mad, don't mess with the ram. Certain things in life gotta overstand. That's disappointing, don't do this, man. With your energy, yeah, can't do this, man. Energy's here like a sizzling pan. 4 meetings already is urgent, fam. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. If the energy's right, we can do this, fam. Energy, 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 wham. To the energy, 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 wham. Energy, 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 wham.
That was 350, right? 150 more. We're doing it. Just 3 more sets, guys. 3 more sets. Oh, you know that booty pump's gonna go crazy. We should measure our glutes next time. Before, like 1/4. Lily grew like 1/4 an inch last time. All right, ready? Go.
Stop blaming them and learn to forgive. I'll carry on doing my thing. I'll carry on doing my thing till we turn into a myth. Energy, 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 wham. To the energy, 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 wham. For the energy, 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 wham. To the energy, energy, energy. The energy's right and we can do this, man. The energy's right and we can do this, man.
100 more.
Energy's right and we
Stay focused, guys. Don't quit right now. Don't give up on me. A 100 more. Five more seconds. Let's go. Ooh, this is it. This is the last set. They're feeling numb? I don't feel anything anymore. Just a little bit of pain. By the way, guys, these outfits that they're wearing, rarefit.com, they're live. You guys want to get some cute outfits to give you a little motivation to work out? All right, let's do it. That's 50. Come on, come on. We're almost there. Damn, Michelle, you go fast. We did it. Shoot, that was good. Give yourself a high five if you finished. Good job, guys. My booty is pumped, but you know, thank you guys for doing this challenge with us. You know, it all starts with one step. You know, if you want to change your body, you got to start eventually, right? So if you want to start with this, you're on your way. Oh, and if you guys want to follow us on Instagram, Bad B Michelle, Lily Moon, Booty King, we're out.